My name's Daniel. I'm a third year accounting and finance student at the University of Chester. A typical day in accounting and finance student's life can vary quite a lot. So my day could be like a Tuesday or a Friday where I don't have any lectures, so I work on my own. My days often will have 2 lectures in them, which means I will arrive around about 9 o'clock in the morning, and I then have a couple of hours after my first lecture. I have some lunch, get some more work done, and then I have the other lecture later on in the afternoon before I head home. So I have 2 particular favourite modules. One of them was Law and Ethics, which I did in my first year, and I particularly enjoyed this because it let us discuss some issues. For me, that's quite a good thing because I enjoy the discussion. Another module that I particularly enjoy is Project and Relationship Management one we do this year, which incorporates a bit of project management, so sort of what you see on The Apprentice. It has elements of strategy in it as well, so you get to learn about a whole wide range of things at the same time. So in accounting there's a click moment. Everybody has it. It's the moment that everything just makes sense. So you might struggle quite a lot with it to start with, and about halfway through my A-level it just made sense. You work with the numbers and then you slot them into the formulas. The click moment is where all those formulas make sense. At that point, when you put all your numbers in, your answer falls out the bottom, and at the point where that answer starts to fall out the bottom, that's just the greatest moment that you've got. I think people think the worst thing about accounting is the numbers. People always go, oh, it's too hard, there's too much maths, it's too complicated. It's really not. It's all about learning the layouts, and once you've learned the layouts, everything's fine. So I did a maths A-level and I did horribly, but I did an accounting A-level, I did really well. So maths really isn't an issue. If you're thinking about taking accounting and finance as a degree, I would definitely say explore it, because I went to my sixth form open evening and I walked into the accounting room and I fell in love with it instantly. So I'm not quite sure what I want to do with my career yet. And for accountants, once you've finished your degree, you'd go on to do a professional qualification, which would involve you doing 3 years of work experience effectively, but you'd be paid doing a proper job and at the same time completing exams and modules alongside that. For other people, actually, the world's your oyster. You can go into business, and actually the way that the accounting degree and the professional qualifications are designed now is that they are designed around creating a business person rather than a number cruncher. So we do law modules, we do marketing modules, we do human resource modules, we do all that sort of thing. So actually you'd be able to step into any business environment with an accounting degree.